Hello friends, welcome to the Let's Learn with Neha channel. So in this video we'll learn about the factorial of a number. So how we can find a factorial of a number. So first we should know what is the factorial of a number. Okay. The factorial of a number is, suppose I have given a number 4, so it should be 4 star 3 star 2 star 1. Right? So how we can do this using a programming language? So we have two methods of doing it. Why I'm teaching you both the method is like sometimes while giving interview may ask you to write a program to find a factorial of a number using recursive method, or he may say you write a factorial program to get a factorial of number using iterative method. So to explain you both, I'm going to explain you both in this video. Okay. So, what is recursive method? If I'll say recursive method is, I'll go and I'll write here. Suppose I have given a number 4 here. Okay. So, I'll take down this 4. My 4 will be 4 star 3, correct? And then I need to break down this number 3 into 2. Or if I'll go and I'll write this, it will be like 4 star 1. Correct. So, this, what is this? This is n minus 1. Next time if I'll go, my n will be 3, 3 will be my n, and this number will be n minus 2. Next time I'll go, this 2 will be my n, and this number will be my n minus 1. So that's how I can find this factorial of a number. This method is called the recursive method. Okay. So here if I'll come to my program, how I can write this using recursive method. Recursive. This way of writing this is very simple. I need to define a factorial function. I am going to define a factorial function. It will take a number as an input, and then, so one more question. If I pass number 1, suppose if I am passing 4, it will give me 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Correct? If I pass number 1 or pass number 0, what it should do? It should return 1. Okay. So in this case, what I'll do, I'll write return 1 if my number is equal to 1, or my number is equal to 0. If it is not equal to 1, then what I need to do is, I need to do this method. 4 star 3 star 2 star 1. How can I implement here is, I can write n. The number here, this number, if I'll do like this, how I'll break it? 4 into 3, correct? So same way, I'll write a number star. Then what I need to do with this number, again I need to break into 2 parts. So how I'll do here is, again I'll call this function here. I'll write this factor of n minus 1. Okay. How? Because here what I'm doing here is 4 minus 1, right? So this 4 is my number and 3 is 4 minus 1. So same here I am writing this. So this function will go here and again it will process. So what I'm doing in this line is, I'm calling myself. Factor is a function, I'm calling myself. This factor is calling himself to get the solution. That's why this function is called recursive function. Now if I run this, I'll try to get this value, factor of 4, I'll get 20. So this is recursive function. So let's see what is iterative function. Iterative. Okay, so by name only you are able to understand. Okay. In iterative, what I'll do, so in iterative function, what it will do, it will first in the iteration, or it's a loop. Okay, So it means it's a loop. First thing, iteration means it's a loop. Second thing, what it will check? It will check this fourth number should not be 0 or equal to 1. Okay. So this loop should execute till it reach to 1. Correct. So it should go this 4 and then it should multiply by 3 and then it should multiply by 2. It should multiply by 1. Okay. So this number itself multiplying by next number. Okay. So once it reaches to 1, what it will do? It will do nothing. Okay. So let's see how I can do here. So in my Jupyter notebook, I write a function. First I need to define function. So I will define again fact. Okay. Then I'll pass my number. So once I get a number, what I need to do is I need to check. First, if my number is less than 0, what I need to do is I need to, if it is less than 0, I'll return 0. Okay. Else if there is number is equal to 0 or number is equal to 1, then what I need to do is I need to return 1. Else what I need to do is, what I said, iteration is a loop, right? So I need to loop it here. So first, what I'll do, I'll use while loop here. While my number is greater than 1, I loop there. Okay. So what I need is here, I'll create a factorial variable which will take a value. I'll assign it 1. Okay. Which I am going to use it here. This is variable. I'll take value on this. Okay. So value equal to, what I need to do is I need to multiply this number until I reach 1. Correct. So I'll need to do is num star value. This what I have written. Now inside my while loop I need to decrement this value. Correct. So I'll write num minus equal to 1. Okay. So this function will return this value at last. Okay. So what I am doing here is I am iterating unless my number will be 1 and multiplying this. It is giving me correct answer. So there is a difference. Iterative, what it is doing is it is iterating over the condition, returning a result. That is iterative method. And recursive method is it is calling itself till the condition is true. That is recursive method. Okay. That's how we can find a factorial of a number. Thanks a lot.